Do you know that spraying insecticide at the wrong time is like treating infection with the wrong medicine? Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Agric Extension Services. Today, we want to explain or want to demonstrate or want to bring this episode to us on effective insecticide application. My name is Oyetola Samuel, and we are bringing this episode from Royal Agric Extension Service, as I've said earlier. Now, I've said it earlier that when you misapply insecticide, it's like you are giving wrong medicine to an infection. How do I mean? You know, insecticide, they are basically chemical formulated to prevent, eradicate, or to kill any insect. They are anti-insect, and we have insecticide in various forms. We have some that are contact, we have some that are systemic, we have some that are broad spectrum, and so on and so forth. That is not where we are going. Where we are going today is to let us know some of the things we have to consider when applying our insecticide. Number one thing, I will make mention of 6, and I will quickly explain them. Please, just listen and follow us. I've told us that please share our video, follow us on all our social media, and press like and so on and so forth to be able to encourage us and let all our farmers across Nigeria have access to this video. Thank you very much. Number one thing that you have to consider is that before you apply your insecticide, is that you apply your insecticide at the early stage of insect attack. If you follow some of our previous videos we have uploaded, we've mentioned some things that you need to take note of in application of insecticide at the early stage of insect attack. And what are the things you have to look for? Number one thing, you have to look very well at your plant, at your crops. Look at the leaf, look at the stem, look at the fruit, look at the flower, and look at the rooting system also. Is the leaves, are they well green? Are they not folding? Are they not holding? Is the flowers, are they not being okay? Are they well arranged? You look at the leaves. Is the leaf not changing color? Like this yellow spots, brown spots, and so on and so forth. So you look at all these in your plant. And when you see these signs, you have to know that you should start early application. What will that one give you? Number one, it will help to minimize, to eradicate, to control the influence of these insects on your crop. Number two things that you have to take note when applying insecticide is your time of your applications. The best time to apply insecticide is between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. in the morning, or between 4:30 to maybe 6:30 or 7 in the evening. This is the best time to apply your insecticide. Why? Number one, these insects are less active at this particular point in time. Number two, the weather is still very much favorable. The weather is not too hot. Number three, it will prevent the evaporation, quick evaporations of the insecticide that you use. And number four, chemicals insecticide work faster and best at this period of time. So you have to look at this time of applications. Don't spray your insecticide when there is sun already. Another thing that you have to take note when applying your insecticide on your crops is that you have to consider the larval stage of this insect. Though we have various types of insects that affect agricultural crops, but majorly we tackle them at their larval stage, and that is the best time. You know, in insect life cycle, we have the egg, we have the pupa, the larva, the pupa, and the adults. So the best time to eradicate or to fight this insect is at their larval stage. So when apply your insecticide, make sure that these insects, they have not grown, they have not metamorphosed to adults. Immediately you see traces of egg and so on and so forth, make sure you start the applications of your insecticide. Another thing, I've said it, another thing you have to consider now is the time of your application. Do not spray insecticide just before the rain. Check your weather condition. We have said those ones in our previous video. What this one will do for you, that if you spray and immediately after your spray there is rain, number one, there will be wash off of the chemicals that you have actually applied. Then number two, there will be less effect of these chemicals on your crops to control this insecticide. So you have to avoid spraying before the rain. And number 5, as I've said, maintain a spraying interval. Now, there are sometimes that you have to apply maybe before 3 to 5 weeks. Some will be 3 to 5 days, depend on the severity of the insect attack on your farm. So you have to maintain a spraying interval. Then lastly, you have to ensure proper coverage when applying your insecticide. Make sure every part of your crops, this is cucumber farm, if parental you want to spray, we have to make sure every part of this plant is well covered, from the leaf down to the stem, down to the flower, and down to the fruit, and down to the root. Ensure that you covered every part of the plant with your chemicals. Thank you for this episode. Thank you for watching us. Because you will share this information. Royal Agric, we have various chemicals that you can use as an insecticide. We have various, depends on the type of crops you plant, and also depends on the type of severity of insect attack that you have on your farm. But we are assuring you that we have best qualities chemicals, insecticide, as of today in the market in Nigeria, in agrochemicals. Patronize Royal Agric. We have some of them, like